welcome back to Lynn'sTv. Hey here, welcome. My name is Lynn Gazoni, and this is your home for fashion, lifestyle, and candid conversations. So this is just a video because I have been using Inaction for so long, and I read somewhere that the secret ingredient is consistency, and literally I have not been consistent. So this is just a video of me being consistent. So please make sure you like, you subscribe. Actually, if you want to motivate me to be consistent, please subscribe and tell your friends to subscribe. It will be a good motivation, and it's actually free. So this was sometime back in October. I was buying the carpets. I got around 4 meters. So we're going to start with painting the room, and then placing the carpet if we get time, because now it's almost dark. But we will paint some of the timber bow, then put a carpet and wait to see someone for wiring. So this is how the room looks initially. This is 5 months after buying the carpet. I had those sockets installed, and basically this is it. I painted this timber white. That's all the paint I had. That's the floor situation. So now I'm just dusting a little bit to clear some of the dust. So, and then I was cleaning. Yeah, this is after now the mopping. Yeah, this is after the mopping. That's how the room looks. The floor is a bit old. Now it's time to put the carpet for the floor to look a bit presentable. I decided to go for black and white. I actually wanted the one that looks like tiles, but they didn't have it at the moment. So this is just me trying to put the carpet. By now I was admiring myself because of the sun. I like how during evening hours the sunset is coming into the room. So that is the first strip of carpet. I'm just going to repeat the process until the whole surface is covered by the polythene carpet. Is it polythene or synthetic carpet? So by now the whole floor is covered. It looks like this. I think this is better than the original state that it was. I covered every place on the floor. This is just a sideways. I'll be placing some of my sewing supplies. That's my sewing table there. I decided to place it there because it's near the socket, because I'll be plugging in my foot pedal for the machine here. These are some of the few supplies that I have for now. In my seat, it's actually a hard carton and some pillows. Yeah, so that's how we are looking for now. That's just some of the leftover fabric. You can see my glue on top there. Then there was this line that was there that I'm going to be using as a hanging space for fabric and clothes for now. It was already dark, so I was using my ring light to enhance the light. So guys, we're in part 2, the wedding. Here we are picking out the cake for the bride to surprise her as requested by the bridegroom. Then this is me on undo the gang. Then surprise, she was so happy. She cut the cake. Actually, there were 2 cakes on that day. This is the morning off after makeup. This is how the makeup was. We had to have gel on our hair. This is my fellow bridesmaid. Here was just for the morning photo session before we head to church and the wedding begins. This is us heading to church. Our dresses were quite lovely. That's just me flexing for the camera. These are the church grounds. Actually didn't get to film much. I was up and down and it rained later, so this is as much of the footage that I could get. Just me and the camera and the selfie camera. So thank you for watching this up to this far. Again, subscribe, like, comment, just say something. Tell me which kind of content you'd like to see from this channel, and I will really appreciate it. You can also connect with me on social media on the platforms that are on the screen, and see you next time. Much love.